Moin, SCILINDE Mike. I want to share with you some of my favorite Luxembourgish words. Let's start out with Kaweechelchekichelchen. Kaweechelchekichelchen. And Kaweechelchekichelchen is a coffee addict. Ich bin ein ganz groß Kaweechelchekichelchen, a huge coffee addict. Deckelsmouk. A Deckelsmouk is a tortoise. Deckel is a lid, and a Mouk is a toad. So a Deckelsmouk is a toad with a lid. So this one's fairly disgusting. Schnuddelhong. A Schnuddelhong is a turkey. However, hong is a chicken, and schnuddel is snot. A turkey is a snot chicken. And I can't help but thinking like an American scene at Thanksgiving. The family's around the table, and Dad's up there slicing away. Can I get you a nice big slice of snot chicken? Gromperekichelchen. This is one of my favorite words and one of my favorite things to eat. So Gromperekichelchen, if you've been here for a while, you probably know it is one of those potato pancakes that they always sell at the fairs. So a Kichelchen is a cookie, and a Grompera is a potato. So it's a potato cookie. Kaweechelchen. Kaweechelchen is a squirrel. I will leave you with a creative word that I created. Kaweechelchekichelchen. That would be a squirrel cookie, which is obviously nonsense, but to me, it sounds like a perfect band name. Hello, Luxembourg, we are Kaweechelchekichelchen, and we are going to rock.